be a few things that you'll want to need how to do, and so if you let me know what they are, then I'll just make small videos of that, which might be much easier rather than sort of going through us sort
Okay.
of chatting about everything. First of all, what's the main thing that you all need to know about using the website?
Um, well, I suppose maybe today at the moment, if you want to, I suppose the one thing that I got you to do before Christmas was changing the committee members.
Yeah.
That would be something that I'll have to do later this month. I suppose maybe if I because it's kind of urgent with the committee members how to publish the results on the website. Maybe that's something we need to do today.
That's on so that one thing would be the public website. So remember, you've got two websites here. You've got the public website, which is a WordPress website, and then you've got the members website, which is a ClubView website. So they're two different softwares. Yeah.
Okay, so this would be, I suppose, the members' website, I presume, for the results, would it be?
Yeah. Okay. So members website is this is the public website, and this is the members website. Okay. So I'm logged in as Kevin Behan, and so we got his balance, his handicap, his T bookings, etc. I see you've only got one event here.
Okay, that's probably because they haven't done the fixtures yet for the year. Maybe that's something to do with it.
Okay.
So that's probably something that's still outstanding.
Okay. If I don't know who does your fixtures, but obviously the easiest way is just sort of add those events to the calendar itself inside the system, within the system. Or otherwise, I can sort of send you an Excel sheet, and you can fill in those, and we can upload those for you, so that that's something that you can decide what you want to do.
Okay.
Okay, Liz.
Okay.
Right. Okay. So what do you need to do?
Uploading competition results, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Competition result. Well, the competitions is you use Handicap Master for competition results. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we do. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So that would be with Handicap Master. So you wouldn't actually need to do anything on here.
But they actually do publish them on the website.
They do. Let me have a look.
Yeah.
So just see what you got on here. Oh, right, men's results. Okay, sorry, yeah. Yeah, okay, so these are the men's results, yeah. There's someone. Okay, I'll show you how to do this. Okay, so there's the notice board. Notice board, you've got all these different categories down here. Men's results, latest news, ladies results, etc. I don't know if you use all of these down here. Juniors, there's only one thing for juniors. There's a couple of things here which seem to be a little bit obsolete. This is a good example. This is a very, very old post from juniors. So
Yeah.
I think if they're not used, sometimes it's best to just hide those categories until someone does decide they want to use them. Yeah, I don't know. So it's completely up to you. I'll just show you how this works. It's very, very similar to the system you have had before. Just looks a little bit different, really. So you go under content, find the notice board, and men's results. Just pop down to juniors here. Okay, it's juniors here. So if I just click on this edit button here, this little pencil icon, and I can choose to uncheck this box to disable the category, update. Now if I go back and just refresh, then that's now disappeared from the drop down.
Okay.
Okay, still in the system. So if someone does decide, oh yeah, we're going to use the juniors results, then they just go back and enable that category and start adding posts to it. Okay. We try to make it as easy as possible. I'll just show you how this works. So let's go to content again, find the notice board. Men's results. If I just want to add a new result, then we just click on the page icon here, and we give it a name. We'll just put test results. You don't need to worry about these are all the different groups that have access to read this post. You can add something in here. Just let me stick something in there so we see what we're doing there. Just let me grab some content. Okay, so I'll just grab this. Okay, so you can give these are basically, they're just all the same posts really. So basically you can just give this a page introduction like this. You could add your content in there and add a file, whatever. You can choose which dates. Do you use this at all, these publishing dates that you have at the bottom here?
Too sure.
No? Because also
So would that mean you just they'd be able to view them from a certain start date to a certain finish date, would it be? Or
yeah, you've got different options here really. The first option you have is you can choose to show this on the homepage widget. So I'll just do this one first. So we've got test results. I've added some page introduction content. I'll just go ahead and create that post. So I've got my New Year cold and refresh. Okay, go to men's results, and that hasn't appeared for some reason. Just 1 second. Oh, okay, right, okay. So we've got this arrow here. So I need to enable the page, sorry. So I just edit this page again. Make sure you click on enable page so that it shows. Update. Go back. And that automatically shows at the top here. Okay. It's got author Becky Hughes on there. I don't know. I might actually disable that.
can you write it down there, and I'll look into it for you later on then. Oh, you're great.
Okay, so these are the different options you got. So just go back to that post again. Sorry. Okay, so I've given it a page title. This shows where this is going to go. Notice board men's results. Homepage listing is set to no at the moment. We'll change that in a minute. And content author, you got a list of authors here. Yes, these are your editors, so you can choose one of these as well, and that will show page introduction text and the actual content which will show on the page. Okay.
Yeah.
So if I'm back on the men's results page, we've got this information which we added, and if I click on find out more, then that goes to the page with the actual content which we added, and below we've got all the other items that we've got in men's results. Okay. So as far as that's concerned, it's very, very simple to add content. I mean, you could, I'll just go back in there. I'll get this thing out of the way. There we go. Right. Okay, so on the actual page itself, you can, you've got quite a few options here. You can add headings. So if I just create a new paragraph, we can change that into a heading 3, for example. If I just copy this to add a couple more paragraphs, then we can make this, I'll just make it italic. You can make text bold. So it's a very simple, easy edit window. You can add lists as well. If I just copy this and just create different paragraphs, and if I go to up here, I can make this into a bullet list, a numbered list. You can add tables as well. So if I just click on this insert template here, good results template. Okay, we just choose an easy template, just a table with table header row. Insert that. And we can give this some information here. Title, I don't know, comp something. And we can just add, I don't know, ladies. Stableford. I just go ahead and update that. Then this content will automatically show in there. Okay. So there's quite a few options for editing these pages as well. You can add images as well if you like. So I could just set my cursor in this paragraph here, go to the insert image, and we choose from the source. We choose images, site. We choose this one here. You need to set a class. This is important. When you get your images, you need to make sure that you've either to left align, right align, or full. So I set to image left align. Okay. And we'll update. And that image sets up there.
Okay, cool. That's perfect.
So, I mean, make the thing as easy as possible. So you don't need to actually choose a template to create a page. You just add the content into the page content area, and then that will work. Okay. Other options you have. So if I go to the home page now, go back to dashboard. Okay, these are what's showing up in the latest news widget. So if I just go back here, go back to that post. If I set this to yes, then hopefully that will, yeah, okay. So that will show at the top of the latest results widget. Okay, so anything that you have within the notice board section, yeah, anything here, men's results, committee minutes, latest news, latest results, whatever, you can choose to show those on the home page. Okay, just by checking that show on homepage icon, you get a little house icon here, and that will show. Okay, another option you have, if we go back to this test result, just go back and edit that. If I scroll down to the bottom, you have options to add a thumbnail image. You can link a file as well. You can add web links, give them a title. And you have these page publishing dates. So you might want to set a competition in the future for June or whatever, I don't know. And just set it to the 1st of June. 2023. You don't need to give it a closing date, and if you just update that, if I just go back, then you now have a house icon, and you've got this hourglass here. Okay, so if I go back to the home page, then that item has now gone. Yeah, because what happens? The system keeps that until the 1st of June, and then it will magically appear on the 1st of June at 9 a.m. or whenever you set the time.
Okay.
Okay. So that's sort of something you'll just get rid of. Otherwise, it will actually show on the first day of June. Okay, so these are they're sort of good tools to sort of create items rather than sort of creating a new post each time. You can create one post, and if you think, well, we can probably use that in a year's time or something, then literally all you need to do is just uncheck this box, disenable the page, update that, and that will no longer be visible. So if I go to notice board and men's results, then that's now gone. Okay, but it's always in the system, so it just saves a lot of time. If you created a nice page with a table with results in there, then you can just keep that as a template if you like, and just enable, disable it, and just change any content that you need. You can also reorder these. So if I go back to my men's results list, then you can reorder these. So we've got these all numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. So I could just change the order of these two here. Just put this to number 2 and this to number 1. Sorry. Save the sort order. Refresh, and those will just change the order there. Okay. I'm sorry.
And I suppose, George, it's kind of the same kind of principle then for just like uploading photographs, and the same thing, kind of it has the same layout, and you just kind of insert them in.
It's very, very simple. I mean, if you wanted to insert an image, I'll just go back to that post we're creating here. Just enable that. Yes, insert an image. I mean, we've got the image here. If you wanted another image, you can set them to be full aligned. So if I just go up to the top here and choose the same image, I'll choose this one here. You need to choose, this is important, otherwise it won't work. You need to choose one of these options here.
Yeah.
I'll choose full.
Oh yeah, I just kind of mean more like in the photo gallery section, but I'd say it's the same kind of principle anyway, is it, in terms of uploading? Like an image like you just did, is it, or is it a bit different?
Photo gallery? Sorry.
Yeah.
Where's the...
It's back in the notes.
Oh, right. Oh, okay, right. Okay, well, you use... Okay, use Google, right. Okay, that's right. Yeah, simple. Yeah, I mean, it's same thing. So what you do is you'd find these are hosted on Google. Yeah, so you just need to find this link. Oh, actually, I think it gives you a link here, doesn't it? Share. Okay, just copy that link. You can copy that, and you would go in and content. Photo gallery, and again, just create a new page, give it a name. We'll call it test gallery. Enable the page, and so here what you would do is you scroll to the bottom and you actually choose these web links. Yeah.
Yep.
So you paste the link in there.
Okay.
And give it, say, my new photos, and create, and why hasn't it showed up there? Have a look. I'll just try. Do I add that somewhere else? Hang on just a second. I probably need to add something else there. Just 1 second. Sorry. Photo gallery. Page. Right, yeah, I think you need to add something in here. So you need to say view the test gallery, and I think that should now work. Yeah, okay. Yeah, you need to add something in there, otherwise it won't. The system just won't recognize it as content.
So sorry, will this answer the question? There's 1 or 2 members who are involved in uploading pictures. Say there's some outstanding there from the Christmas Carol service. So will that answer the question for them as to how to upload those pictures?
To make a gallery, Liz, or just the web?
Into the gallery. That's where the pictures go.
Well, the gallery is hosted. I don't know who looks after your. This is hosted on Google, so I don't know who looks after this this gallery here. Your photos.
As in who uploads them?
Yeah.
Yeah, we would have a member here who uploads them.
Okay, so
Two members. So he was trying to do this before Christmas, and we just explained that we'd be having a Zoom session after Christmas, because he probably has a bit of a backlog. So, have you?
Yeah, it's probably the same principle. It's kind of what we just did with the test gallery, I'd say, George, isn't it? Just, it's calling it Christmas carols and then just
that's right. Yeah. I mean, what he needs to do, it's literally this list. So what he'd do, I mean, obviously, first he needs to create his. These are albums basically. So, Ladies Captain's Dinner is an album hosted on Google Albums, Google Photos. So he create the album, upload the photos, which he knows how to do. Then he grab this link here, so share, he copy this link on here, copy that, then he has the link. So once he has that, then he'll need to go back into his gallery. If he likes, he can start creating this is photo gallery of 2022. He can create a new gallery for a new category for 2023, which I can do here if you like. So we've got Photo Gallery 2023. Enable that category. You don't need to do anything else. So that's it. If I just create this category, go back to the website, then you now have a gallery for 2023. Yeah. Okay. If I go there, there's nothing there because nothing's been added.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
If you want to add something in there, then again, content, photo gallery, find your 2023. You can actually move this. So if I move this one up to, keep that on 1. If I move this one down to number 2. Probably makes it easy because now you've got 2023 on top of 2022, just to keep scrolling down, and just add a new page. So it's new page, and you say Christmas party,
Christmas carols, I think it was,
or Christmas carols, whatever. Enable the page, and view the photos. And you just need to go there. So it's the web links, So you just paste the link here. You could actually create a page and add a link, but I think this is the easiest way to do this, really. And just add a little Christmas carols, and that will work. Just create that.
Okay, just great. Yeah.
You now have the first link in there. If you click on that link, then that will take you to the gallery which she's created.
Right.
Okay. I was going to delete all this because you don't want all this stuff on there because people go, Christmas carols, to see something else. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll delete this one here, the test gallery. And I'll delete that as well. No, I'll leave that there actually. And what I'll do is I'll just hide the photo gallery until he's ready to do that. So at least he's got something in there. So you can go to content, go to photo gallery, and he can see that something is there. I'll just leave this as an example so you can just click on that and just see, title, introduction test. Okay, right. Link down here, give it a name, and just edit, and that will work.
Yeah, you can start uploading from there.
Yeah, if you need something else, just let me know. If you want, I want to do this and this, just let me know, and I'll make a video for him. Okay, perfect. So I think that's the easier thing. Just make this little small bite-sized videos so you can just see exactly what he needs to do. If he needs something more than that. Okay. And as far as the content's concerned on the members website, it really is as simple as that. You know, there's I don't know, there's nothing. Just let me go and get rid of that as well. Yeah, just simple as that, really.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have editors, or you have actually admins going into here and doing this? Well, you've got 9 editors. Okay. So yeah, the editors here, I guess these are all people who are used to editing the website, are they? Adding content?
Yeah, some of those probably need to be taken out, but yeah, you need to be updated.
Okay. Well, you can delete anyone here. Just go in here and click on delete this bin icon, and
Yeah,
they will.
I'd say one you can definitely delete there, just as an example, is Frank Flynn.
Flynn. Okay.
Yeah, just there. Confirm deletion. Yeah.
Okay. Frank's gone.
Grand. Is it, we had an AGM there before Christmas, and I would have been creating links with documents. Is that still the same procedure?
Yeah.
Where you upload it from, you go into your public folder and you upload the document, you change to a PDF beforehand.
Yeah.
And then you create the link and add it, by creating the chain.
Yeah. This is your AGM meeting here. So do you want to actually create a page, do you? Okay, it's
just see all the nominations, financial statements was the last one I put in. It's just, is it the same procedure again, just to add, say if we had anything or we needed to get rid of one and needed to add something new, or...
Because, sorry Liz, at the moment this is the club AGM 1st of December.
Yeah.
So,
and we will be having a reconvened one in mid January. So just in case anything, if I wanted to just re-edit that, and I wanted to just say the agenda, for example, was going to change. So what I would have done in the past was I'd click on, highlight the AGM agenda 2022. I'd get rid of it by clicking on the link, the broken chain, if you know what I mean, and then I'd reinsert. I'd create a new link and just upload it from the files on your website.
Yeah.
So I'd be uploading from our public website onto the website.
Okay. That to me, I mean, this page here, what you got here is not, to me it's not best practice really, because you've got one page and you've got loads of which is fine. You've got loads of links to documents, and you can change those links. But ideally, what you want would be to have this page here, so you've got these different links to documents, and to me it would be better to have something similar to what you have for photo gallery. Yeah, so what I mean by that, if I go to photo gallery 2022, you would have all your individual documents here.
Right.
Yeah, if you want, I can redo this page that you have here. Well, you do whatever you want, but to me, then you can create a Club AGM January 2023. I'll just show you very, very quickly how I would do that.
Yeah.
So I get the content and notice board. Okay, so we've got Club AGM, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so I would create a new category and call it Club AGM 2023, for example, or whatever, or January.
It might even be Club AGM. It's still I think it's still 2022, but reconvened, if you know what I mean.
Okay. Create the category. And literally just add documents to it. So, you go back in there, you've got a new category now. But you could actually have a new link for AGM rather than having a notice board. Doesn't really, matter. Okay, club AGM. Shut up there for the white. I think this is a repeat of what we had before, actually. Okay, let's call it AGM 2022. Label category. Okay, AGM, yeah. So what you do is you actually add a new, so what I would do is I would add right, okay, so I would add this content to the top. Paste that in there. Just go ahead and update that. So you've got AGM, so you have this here. Okay, right, you need to choose a template for that. We're going to run out of time in 1 minute. I'm going to send you if we cut off, I'll send you a new link, okay?
Okay.
Let's see what we've got in here. Hang on. So that's... I just want to work out why that is like that and that. Okay, right.